Deanna here with PMP Crafters. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, hello, welcome. Great that you tuned in. Today we are going to be making Oreo wrappers, and I want to do a cute Toy Story inspired theme. So let's get started. Right here, I have my Oreo template already downloaded. If you do not know what I'm talking about, this is our ultimate template bundle where you get templates, designs that I've already created, as well as information on pricing, the supplies that I'm using, all of those wonderful, great things so you can start making crafts either for your business or for your kids or for classroom activities, for teachers, whatever it may be. You will be able to use these things and make your own designs and use some of the designs that I've created for you and sell them or give them away as gifts. So without further ado, let's go ahead and click on our Oreo template. So we are going to do this cute Toy Story theme. As you can see right here, we have our 2-pack. So 2 will print out on a sheet of paper. First thing you want to do when you open this for the first time is to go ahead and make a copy. So we're going to go to File and then Make a Copy. Now that we have our copy, we can go ahead and close that other one. And I want to go ahead and rename this one, okay? I am going to rename it, instead of Oreo template, I am going to name it Oreo Design or Oreo Designs, okay? Now that I've renamed it, I am going to go ahead and duplicate this. So that way our first page is going to be our template, then our second page is going to start our designs. Okay, now that we have that, let's go ahead and get started on this Toy Story design. Like I said, I'm super excited about this. I'm going to click on the one to the left. This is the one that I'm going to be working on. I'm going to go into positions. Then it's the layers of my position. I'm going to go ahead and bring this one forward. But what I want to do is ungroup these. So click ungroup. Now we have our back half as well as our front. I am going to first work on this back half. So I'm going to click on it and it alone. Okay, and I want to go into elements and maybe a Toy Story. I'm thinking how the clouds or something along that line. Okay, I cannot find exactly what I want, so I'm just going to pull in the image that I have. Okay, so I've done a few things and I'm trying to get this right because I really want it to look nice. So I'm now going to just take these clouds, make that the background, but I want my background to be much brighter than this. So I may have to adjust my colors by brightening it to a 35. I like that, yes. So we're gonna do the same thing with this one. Brighten to 35. Thanks. Okay, so now that we have this, it's time to add in our characters. All right, so we have our characters, and I want to create that Toy Story name and everything on here. So one thing about the Toy Story theme is that there was this red shape that was in the back. So I'm going to go to Elements and go into our shapes and see if we have something along those lines. Now this is going to give us probably the closest to that, and I know it was in red, so we'll go ahead and change that to a red. And then size it down to fit what we're doing. So this will be that, and I'm going to slant it. Now we are going to go ahead and create our font. So we're going to press T. I got to get out of that, but we're going to press T for the name. Then we're going to outline this in blue because we really want this to look just like the Toy Story logo as much as possible. So and then we're going to enhance the thickness. Okay, now that we have all of our font and things going, I want to position everything just right. So I'm going to select all of this and let's try to align all of it. And the name is slightly off, so I'm going to click off of all of it and nudge it back over. I feel like that is aligned to me. And I know that technically it's not because this thing definitely aligns everything right. Now that we have that, I'm going to group all of this together, position it behind our character so that way his arm can pop right through. And then we're going to select all of this and bring it over to our design. Okay, now it is nice and even within our design. I really, really love this. The only thing that I think I want to do is go to text, and we're going to pull that same font. And then all I want to do is do everything that I did for the name and the number 4. I want to do for this, and we're going to add this. This is going to be sitting on the outside. And so based on how you fold, you'll determine which one's going to be your top, which one's going to be your bottom by this portion right here. All right, now that we have all of this done, I'm going to go back into my positions because I will definitely like to keep this all together. So I'm going to group that back together. There we go. Okay, so now all we're going to do is group, select everything we have here, group it. Now I have my background pieces here, and I technically don't need those anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and delete them both. Then I'm going to select everything I have here, group it together, duplicate it, slide it right on top of that one. You can keep it or leave it. I will just leave it there. And then we're going to go ahead and print. If you're going to send this to a customer, you can go ahead, save it as a PDF, and then they're able to print it themselves. Here's what the Oreo 2-pack looks like. It's 2 regular size Oreos in a individual like snack pack size, and it comes in a box of I think 10 to 12. So we're just going to go ahead and assemble this, and this is quite easy. I did speed this up. If you would like for me to do a separate video where I slow this down, then I will just leave a comment down below. Everything that I am using, I have it also down in the description, from the paper that I use to the crimper that I use, as well as my printer. All of that is listed down below with links, so that way you can have easy access to getting it yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This came out so super cute, and if you would like this template, the link is down below.